Alright, so welcome to today's market review and expectation. So this is the dollar index as usual. So this video is actually going to be based on the dollar index, now other foreign currency analysis. So we just replicate the inverse of what I talk about in the dollar index in other foreign currencies like the euro dollar and then the pound dollar or the Aussie dollar. Okay. So this is a daily chart, and for the past week, saw price um trade up, and then around Wednesday we saw a little bit of reversal. Okay. So what is my expectation for this coming week, which is second week of September? So I think third week rather, which is 12 to 16th. All right. So from the 12 to 16, I'm looking at the dollar trying to have a retracement below this particular low right here, about 108.285 thereabouts, and then most likely we're going to run into this particular low and into this fair value gap. Okay, so that's my expectation for the coming week in the dollar index. Okay, so what actually negates this particular idea is that if we should open up on Monday or for the next week, we should trade around this day's high. Okay, then I'm looking at this particular high to be run out. But as it stands now, I'm looking at this particular low and then this low for retracement into it, and then probably can rally much higher. Remember, you don't call the turning points in this on this channel. Okay, so another thing to have a look at is I think the seasonal tendency. Alright, so this is the seasonal tendency for the dollar index, and then looking at September you have very downward markets, okay, to deal with for all the periods, that's the 30-year, 15, and then the 5-year. We are all tanking in September. So let's see how price trade accordingly.